this is Barbara Persons from Persons Plastic Surgery. I've been talking to friends about this for weeks, about how to make your own mask out of a bandana, and I didn't have a bandana handy today, so I cut a piece of a sheet. You can use a cloth napkin, a piece of a sheet, a t-shirt. This is the mask they're recommending, kind of mask they're recommending that we wear outside, which protects us from spreading droplets to others. So simple. You just want to fold this in thirds, place your rubber bands or hair ties in about a finger distance on each side. So simple. Fold this in and tuck it. And then voila, take it and put it on your face. Very comfortable to wear. Then when you're done using it, avoid touching the front. It's also a protection from touching our faces. You'll take it off from the rubber bands. Toss this into the wash, and then you can wash those and then reuse them. Thank you very much. Have a great day. We're all in this together and we'll get through it.